Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to choose and change units of measure in the Strava app on your phone. If you want to track your distance in kilometers or miles, this video will guide you through the process in a clear and easy way. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll through the Settings menu and select Display. Once you are in the display settings, find and click on Units of Measure. Here, you will see the options for imperial and metric units. Choose the unit that you prefer. If you like miles, select imperial. If you prefer kilometers, select metric. Finally, after making your choice, the app will automatically use your selected units for all your future activities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.